got a good couple of items.
Got a good couple of items. So we came all. Oh my gosh!
What?
Oh, there's buffalo sauce on the white t-shirt.
This weekend we're in Auckland. We're going to go have a look at some potential clothing places to buy our clothes from.
We got to get 3 lots of 24 outfits.
So we stayed up late last night, just after 2, looking at all these different types of shops, all these different types of clothes, so we can keep in budget.
Yeah.
With our budget that we got.
Beige and white for the girls, and black and beige for boys.
For Taumata-o-Apanui nei, he āta tiro haere, he tiro ki etahi o ngā toa. Ki te kite i ngā momo kākahu, e noho pai ai te waka waiata mātou i roto i ngā whare karakia.
I reckon it's the main option, like with the former chicken.
It's a nice colour, youthful looking, nice and light,
Yeah.
nice and airy, so we're not getting hot in church, because there'll be a lot of people, there'll be a lot of sweat.
Right.
Burnt hair.
And then there's the high-vis option.
Interesting.
Oh my god!
I think it's a bit big for me.
Well, that's why it's a stretchy material. We've just got our stuff out of the truck and into our workshop.
I think we should do the dresses first.
How big's the print?
That big, eh?
And how many garments are there?
There's
14.
14 garments. Okay.
But
Cool.
they're not all here. 2.
They're not all here? So we'll just go through and print one of these, eh? Okay, sweet.
Yeah, me and my dad, native design, we've been working together over these designs for our t-shirts for a while.
So our design was based off a tukutuku panel that I really liked. It's from, I think it was Pakofua. It was a pura whitu one. You had to go around all the aunties and the nannies and find out what it meant. That was my favourite one.
and so guys, and then we'll just chuck it on like so. It's straight.
Yep, it's bang on. Yep, come on. Yep, straight on. Grab the top.
Well, I just think because they're gonna stay on the line.
Yeah.
I'm just so happy that our first ever kākahu merch, performance gear, I don't know, has been done. So, everyone, round of applause.
What to say?
So we're going to Captain Morgan's to grab an ice cream with matuatama. Ngā mōhio ai. Why did you bring this coat with Te Tairāwhiti?
Why is
did-
kākahu and
Well, we all know why kākahu's in this coat,
why?
I'm here. So, was the festival for the old people, or what's in it for the rangatahi?
One of the reasons I wanted to connect with you fellas on kākahu was you're in charge. You're determining what it looks like, what it feels like, what the sound is, how you get the message out. That's the way we want to go forward, so that everybody has a voice at the table. Young people are leading these kaupapa as much as older people.
And before coming into this kaupapa, did you know that kākahu was going to be created?
It was a kind of a dream,
Yeah.
like a conversation, imagine if, but it couldn't be real until there were rangatahi to lead it.
Do you have any tips for us? You know, you've been on stage. We haven't been on stage for a couple of
It's hard not to get nervous. I don't know if you've experienced that, but everybody does.
Oh no, definitely, yeah.
And the thing I think about the most is I'm not here for myself. I'm here to give.
Yeah.
As a performer, as a singer, whatever, your job is to just give to the people that have turned up. And then the other tip I have for singers is don't eat ice cream before you have to sing.
Well, that's funny because we actually have asked for all of us to prepare a song today, and we've chosen Under an East Coast Moon.
Oh.
So, would you like to kick it off?
This is good living. I wanna be under an East Coast moon, humming a familiar tune. Under an East Coast moon, I can handle solitude. But I'd rather be underneath an East Coast